At CommScope, we push the boundaries of communications technology to create the world's most advanced networks. We design, manufacture, install, and support solutions around the world. And this video will focus on CommScope's copper operations, the products we support, our manufacturing locations, and how we achieve global consistency. Let's start with some fun facts. CommScope has the ability to make more than 5 billion feet of twisted pair cables per year. That's a distance equivalent to 4 trips to the moon and back. We produce more than 40 million outlets and jacks per year, and more than 50 million patch cord terminations. CommScope produces and ships identical products out of our manufacturing sites worldwide to support brands like Systemax, Uniprise, NetConnect, and CommScope. We do it all in a sustainable, responsible way. CommScope was recently named to Newsweek's list of America's Most Responsible Companies 2023, the 4th year in a row we have received this honor. We offer a complete portfolio of copper cable products, including Category 6 and 6A. It's available in UTP, FTP, and STP, in a wide variety of colors and form factors. We also offer a multitude of patch cords, copper jacks, and patch panels, as well as supporting components like faceplates, sealing connectors, and cable management and enclosures. And we manufacture enclosures and components for our mVision automated infrastructure management platform. Our manufacturing locations span the globe. In North America, our Claremont and Catawba, North Carolina facilities are focused on both copper and fiber production. We have a facility in Reynosa, Mexico, and 3 facilities in the Juarez area. CommScope also has manufacturing locations in the UK, Czech Republic, India, and China. Let's take a closer look at 2 of our locations. This is our Claremont, North Carolina facility. It's 2 separate factories, totaling 560,000 square feet. We've invested in many improvements over the last 18 months to better support our customers. We are now manufacturing 15 new twisted pair lines. All of these lines are capable of supporting Category 6A, the latest iteration of gigabit Ethernet cabling, which represents the future of copper networks. All the equipment is backward compatible for manufacturing Category 6 or 5E products if needed. Nearly every piece of equipment on the floor has been relocated to drive efficiencies, cost savings, and to increase capacity to support our partners. We're especially proud of our Reynosa, Mexico facility, which was just named among Mexico's best employers in a survey by Statista and Forbes. At Reynosa, we have consolidated multiple plants into a 250,000 square foot facility that is the global supply for all CommScope jacks and outlets. This includes our MGS series jacks that support Systemax, and our SL jacks that support Uniprise and NetConnect. This also includes our copper modules and modular plugs. Every plug used on CommScope patch cords is manufactured in this facility. Over the last 18 months, we've doubled our capacity for MGS 600 outlets for Systemax, and we've doubled our capacity for SL jacks that support the NetConnect side of the business. Growing, consolidating, and vertically integrating the Reynosa facility has given us the ability to manufacture and ship products faster. In Q4 of 2022, we made more jacks in a single quarter than ever before. Our products are distributed through CommScope global distribution centers, and no matter where they are manufactured, the products that come out of our facilities are identical, with consistent quality and specifications. We have invested more than $100 million into our facilities to improve upon our manufacturing practices. We are planning to invest tens of millions more to prepare for the next generation of products. It's all about increasing our capacity and improving our quality, performance, and consistency for customers.